we have covered addition, multiplication and subtraction, etc. But those are common operations that you can also find in basic math and algebra. There are some special functions dedicated to matrices only. One of those unique operations is something called a determinant. Before we actually learn how to do that, we should first cover some basics. Point number 1. Suppose we have a matrix A. Then its determinant will look like this: A with vertical bars. Two vertical bars replace the brackets. A vertical bar comes on each side of the matrix name as well. Point number 2. The determinant can only be calculated for a square matrix such as 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3 and so on. Lastly, the result of a determinant is not a matrix but a scalar value which is unique for every individual matrix. This value has a variety of applications that we will cover in our upcoming lessons. Let's now put all this information into action and learn how to calculate the determinant for a 2 by 2 matrix. Here is our matrix A with the entries A, B, C and D. To find its determinant, replace the bracket with vertical bars and put them around A2. You can even show it like this as well. Anyways, now multiply A with D. Put a minus sign and write the product of B and C. This is the fixed pattern to find the determinant of any 2 by 2 matrix. You find the product of whatever is in these positions and subtract the product of elements present at these locations. Done. An example is always helpful. So we will see an example of a matrix with numbers. We have matrix B with 2 rows and 2 columns. To find its determinant, first replace the brackets with bars and then perform this operation. Multiply these two minus the product of these two. This gives 1 by 3 minus negative 2 into 1. Solving it leaves 5. And this 5 is not a matrix, of course. It's just a scalar number, exactly as we had discussed. With that said, 5 is the determinant of matrix B. Let's take one more example with matrix M. First step, vertical bars. Second step, A into D minus B into C. That is the product of these two minus the product of these two. 2 times 3 minus 1 times 6 and the answer is 0. This 0 is your final determinant of matrix M. Now that you have taken the determinant of 2 matrices, you can see that it is pretty straightforward and it should give you no trouble. Also, excuse the horrible pun, but we are determined to keep teaching you. So keep following our lessons. See you in the next one.